Hello students, welcome back in our second standard math session. In the last session we have done revision number 3. In that we have learned question number 3a 4b identify the shapes of the following things, and question number 3a add or subtract. In revision number 4, today we are learning question number 3b, subtract and check. So, let's go for the first example. 93 minus 58. Let us arrange the numbers in the column. 93, 9 in tens column, 3 in ones column. Then sign is minus, will give here. Then 58. Now minus sign is there. So 3 number on your fingers. Open 3 fingers. Cut 8. No, it is not possible. So we are borrowing from 9. So we'll cut 9 and it will become 8. We are cutting one number from 9. So it will become 8, and that number which we cut from 9 we'll write here. So 3 will become 13 now. Now after 8 count till 13. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So your answer is 5. Now open 8 fingers, cut 5, you will get 3. So 35. Now we are checking this answer is correct or wrong. So for that what we have to do, 58 we are writing first, and then we are adding number 35 in that. So we'll write 35. Now sign is plus. So what you have to do? 8 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. 8 after count 5. You will get 13. So write 13 aside. Write tens and ones. 3 will come as a answer and 1 will go as a carryover. 5 after we are counting 1, 6, and 6 after count these 3 numbers, 7, 8 and 9. So here our answer is 93, which is same number which was the first. Okay, so this question is, or this solving is correct one. So we'll solve now next one. 60 minus 15. Arrange the number in the columns. 60 minus 15. Now minus sign is there, so open 0 fingers. Cut 5. It is not possible. Don't do 5 minus 0, 5. It is not possible. So borrow from 6. From 6 we are borrowing 1, so it will become 5. That borrowed 1 we have to write here, so it will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 will get 5, and open 5 fingers, cut 1 will get 4. Now this 15 we are writing up. 1, 5, 15. For checking we are doing opposite operation. That means here minus, so we are doing here plus. And which number we are adding? The answer which we got. So 45. Now count. Open 5 fingers. Add 5 in that. So we'll get 10 as an answer. TO, 0 will come as an answer. 1 will go as a carryover. 1 after 1, 2. 2 after count 4. So you will get 6. Now this 60 and this 60 means our answer is correct. Now we'll solve next sums. 52 minus 27. Arrange the numbers. Minus 27. Open two fingers. Cut 7. Not possible. Borrow from 5. 5 will convert into 4. 2 will become 12. 7 after count till 12. You will get 5 as answer. Open 4 fingers. Cut 2. You will get 2 as a answer. Now for checking, we are taking this number first, 27. Then we are adding number 25. Which one is the answer? So write 25 here. 7 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. 7 after 5, 12. Write tens and ones. 2 will be the answer. 1 will go as a carryover. 2 after 1, 3. 3 after 2, 5. So here 52, here 52. So your answer is correct. Next one is 63 minus 36. So we'll write in the column 63 minus 36. Open 3 fingers, cut 6. Not possible. Borrow from 6. 6 will become 5. 3 will become 13. 6 after count till 13 will get 7. So, open 5 fingers, cut 3, will get 2 as an answer. Now, this 36 will write in the next. For checking, we are adding our answer. Here, 27. Here, addition is there, so bigger number in your mind, 7 in your mind, 6 on your fingers. 7 after 6 will get 13. Right aside, right tens 1, 3 will be answer, 1 will go as a carryover. Now 3 after 1, 4. 4 after count 2 will get 6. This 63 and first number is also 63. So our answer is correct. We are writing question number 2 as per our paper pattern. Give 2 examples of following shape. First shape is rectangle. So what the things are rectangle? So first we'll write flag and second we'll write currency note or writing paper. Okay. Many more examples are there. You can write that also. Now, second one is square. In square shape, there is chessboard, ludo board. Now, we'll write circle. Circle shapes are bangle, coin, CD, your chapati, pizza, many things are there. Oval shape we cannot find out the proper example, so we'll not write. Next one is triangle. For triangle, we can write hanger and a piece of pizza or quarter part of chapati also you can write. Next one is cone. Cone shape, ice cream cone, joker's cap or Christmas tree. You can write Christmas cap also or Santa Claus cap. Like that way, many things are there. Funnel is also there. Next one is spear. Spear shape, marble is there, ball is there, laddu, then globe, and many planets are there. Eighth one, cube. Cube shape, there is dice, ice cube, Rubik cube, sugar cube. So many things are there. In cylinder, what shapes are there? You can write bottle, then chalk, glass, many things are there you can write in cuboid shape. Cuboid shape, what the things you can write? We can write book and duster. Your compass box is there. So many things are there. So you can do it. So till the next session. Bye students. Best of luck. Do it well.